Okay, let's dive into this explainer on your next big challenge, the residential house design project.
So a brand new client just approached you. They need a custom home design totally from scratch.
Your ultimate weapon for bringing this entire architectural vision to life? Good old SketchUp.
Here's the roadmap, 4 distinct stages taking you from a totally blank canvas to the final evaluation.
Right, let's kick off stage 1, where the foundation of your entire design starts flat in 2D. Before jumping into 3D, your client needs a rock-solid professional 2D floor plan mapping out precise dimensions. Crucially, once approved, this flat 2D plan literally becomes the exact foundation for all your 3D work.
Entering stage 2, we take that approved flat layout and finally start pulling it up into 3D.
This initial SketchUp model focuses strictly on nailing down that core structure and the overall spatial layout.
Then, stage 3 is where the magic happens. We refine that basic blocky model into a real home. You'll pivot from basic structure to adding intricate details, leveling up the design based on client feedback. Finally, we hit stage 4. You shift from creator to critic, really reflecting on your finished work. To actually gauge your success, you'll evaluate your final project across 4 specific reflection points.
First off, ask yourself honestly, did you effectively deliver exactly what your client asked for?
Next, pinpoint the core strengths of your models, but definitely acknowledge the real design challenges you faced.
Then consider the ultimate designer's question. What exactly would you improve if you just had more time?
So, fire up SketchUp, follow these 4 stages, and get building. What will that dream home look like?